Hi teachers and staff. Let's walk through how to manage courseworks in the staff portal. It's simple. We'll break this process into 3 parts. Stick with us and you'll master it in no time. First up, we'll cover how to create a coursework template. In the navigation menu, click Tools, then select Coursework. Under the Template tab, choose Create Template to begin. This will take you to the Coursework Builder, where you'll start by entering coursework details. Type the coursework title. Provide a brief description of its purpose, and choose the subject from the drop-down menu. Once the details are complete, you can start adding questions. Click Create Question to begin. Let's type in the question, then pick the question type from the drop-down menu. Options include multiple choice, short answer, and many other formats. Set a point value here. If needed, you can upload supporting files like images, videos, or audio by clicking Upload File. You can click the Add Answer icon to add answers, but it's totally up to you. Enter the answer text in the field provided. For multiple choice or similar questions, you can mark the correct answer with a check mark. You can manage your questions by using the available icons to import, duplicate, save to the question bank, or delete any questions you don't need. Adjust everything as needed to ensure your coursework is well organized. When you've finished adding all your questions, click Save and Complete. After saving, you're automatically taken back to the Templates tab. The number of templates you see depends on admin permissions. Now that the coursework is ready, we're all set to assign it to your students. You'll remain on the coursework page under the Templates tab. Now find the template you just made. Click the Assign button in the corresponding row to open the Assign pop-up window. The coursework name will autofill. Toggle the deadline required option if you want to set a due date. You can also enable the option to allow late submission. Use the filters for subject, course, or teacher to narrow down the student list. Search for specific students using this field or scroll to select them. Once selected, review all details. Finally, click Proceed to send the coursework to the chosen students. Now, let's move on to the final step, marking the coursework. This time, let's select the Coursework tab. The amount of coursework the table displays depends on the permissions set by your school's admin. If you see a list of coursework for courses you don't teach, it means you've been granted permission to manage all assigned coursework. Let's break down the status column. Assigned means the coursework has been given, but hasn't been started yet. Received means the coursework has been completed and turned in. Marked means it's been evaluated by the teacher with marks and feedback provided. Completed means the coursework have been reviewed by the student. There are also late status. A missed deadline means the coursework is overdue and student lost access to it. Delayed status means it's past the deadline but late submissions are allowed. Now in the Actions column, click the Mark button to open the marking panel. At the top of the panel, review the coursework details, including the student name, coursework title, and subject to ensure you're evaluating the correct coursework. Scroll to the Questions section to begin marking. For each question, review the student's response and enter the score in the Points field. If needed, provide feedback in the Feedback field under each question to offer suggestions or comments for improvement. Once all questions are marked, double-check the scores for accuracy. When ready, click the Submit button to save the scores and finalize the marking process. Once it's submitted, you'll notice the coursework status changes to Mark. Next to it is the Send button so you can share the results with the student. Simple, right? I hope this helped. We'll catch you next time on ilerno.